Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I think this is gonna be really bad. This is not gonna go good. This is how it looks like. And chocolate. Hello guys and welcome to my channel Maria Marie. So today I am back with another fun challenge. Today's challenge is gonna be eating only weird food combinations for 24 hours. I have prepared and planned and bought everything that I need for this challenge. So the deal is that I have all the weird food combinations written in chits down here. Some are good for breakfast, some are good for dinner, some are good for snacks and lunch and stuff, but they are all mixed up. So I'm gonna pick any one chit, and if I get suppose chips with something, so I have to have that for breakfast. So that is another twist. So all these are from this poll that I put up earlier yesterday, I guess. Without wasting time, let's get on to eating some weird food combinations. So the first thing that I'm going to be having is my breakfast. It's 11 o'clock already and I'm really hungry. Now let's select. I'm not going to be cheating. I'm going to be choosing right in front of you. And it is this one. Let's open and see what we get. Okay, so I got peanut butter and jelly sandwich with Doritos or nachos in the middle. This is what I got. As you can see, let's try this weird food combination and let's see how we like it. Okay guys, I've got my peanut butter and jelly and with Doritos in the middle. I hope it is good. Let's taste. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is good. I can't taste the cheese flavor at all. This taste, I liked it so much. Peanut butter, jelly and Doritos बीच में. How was it? Good. It's good now? Okay guys, so we took all the pictures. So now it's lunchtime, so it means I'm going to grab another chit and let's see what weird combination I have to eat for lunch. So I guess this is very appropriate for lunch. It's dal rice with sauce, and I'm gonna pick another food combination. Okay, I'm gonna be having some chocolate cake with Szechuan sauce. So yeah, let's taste how it is. So first we have the sauce and the rice. So I've got the sauce right in the middle and I don't genuinely like sauce. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not that great, but still it's cool. I don't like sauce that much. Maybe that is why I didn't like it. It's not that I'm not gonna be having it. I can definitely have it, but I will not have it again by myself. Now, okay, so I had my lunch a little. Now it's time to taste test the thing which I don't want to taste test, and already some of it is in Szechuan sauce already. I guess I'm going to just take a little bite first. So here we have the Szechuan sauce. I don't know why I think this is going to be really bad. This is not going to go good. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3. At first I could only taste the Szechuan sauce. That is when I thought that it was gross. Okay, we are gonna go for like another huge bite. I don't like it. But it's not that bad, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, it's dark outside. Sorry. So now it's time for snacks because it's 7:30 and it looks like it's a lot later, but it's 7:30 right now. And I am going to pick these weird food combinations again. Let's select it. Okay. Oh. So this is what I selected and let's see what it is. Okay, so for snacks I have to have vanilla ice cream and soy sauce. This is definitely not snacks, but yeah, so I'm gonna be having vanilla ice cream with soy sauce. So I've got my ice cream and soy sauce. My hands smell like soy sauce, but this strongly doesn't smell like soy sauce. This is how it looks like. Ew. So let's taste. It's salty and sweet. I think I put too much soy sauce. I didn't expect this to taste like that. If you're a fan of, salted and sweet, that salted caramel kind of taste, you will like it. But it was not bad, but it was not the best too. So yeah, now we're gonna wait for dinner and see what we're gonna have for dinner. So it's 9:30 right now and I'm really hungry. Oh, I took two. I'm gonna take this one and let's see what it is. So I got chocolate sauce with chips. I don't think so. I'm going to be taking this only for dinner. So I'm going to choose another chit. Okay, this is what I'm going to be. And the last one for the day is bread, jam and chili sauce. I'm really excited for chocolate sauce with chips, but I'm not excited for bread, jam and chili sauce. We have the dinner right here. The first one is this, that is the jam and chili sauce sandwich, and I did a little bit of cheating here. That was, I did not put a lot of chili sauce because I don't like chili sauce a lot, like spicy stuff in general. And the next one I did not do cheating. I just have some chips with chocolate sauce on it. So we are gonna start with this and let's see how I like it. I did not put a lot of chili sauce. I did put some, so let's see. See, I don't want to waste it, so I think I'm gonna have it with more jam or something, or peanut butter. So the final dessert, I guess, for today is some chips and chocolate.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Oh my god, I dropped everything. So now we are going to taste test this disaster which I created, and let's see how does it taste. Oh my god. Now let's try this one. This has the most amount of chocolate sauce on it. This is seriously amazing. Please go ahead and try chocolate sauce with chips. Trust me, it is pretty good. Whereas this is not. Don't try this. But I'm going to try and finish eating this because I don't want to waste it. Okay, last bite. Last bite and then we'll be done with the challenge. Chocolate with chips was amazing, but still I like the peanut butter with Doritos a lot more than that. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to end the video right here. I guess we had 6 weird food combinations. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me how do you like the new intro, the outro and new subscribe and Instagram icons. I hope you like it. So bye bye.